Okay, we learn how to delete them, but some of you say in the previous lesson why we should delete them by student numbers. Maybe someone want to delete them by names. What should she do or what should he do? Okay, I say it's easy. We create a function that get the name by using get the student number by using name. How we learn we can use a student number, we can use a k value as we use here, you see, to get the purple we need. Now we need to just change this code here, dict dot values, and we call it values, and we call it list values, and then we call it values, and then it's going to be list dot values. Now when we run it, when we print list val here, what is going to give us the values? But the important thing is that, for example, we go and want to see the first item. What is going to give us? It's going to give us name. So we're going to use another 0. It's going to work? No. Because why? Because it's dictionary and not going to work like that. What we are going to do, we are going to put names here. Then you see we can easily get name for this item. And by getting name, we can find which student has which student ID. And it's really easy. Now we have the name, we can get the ID. How? We find that we can get the names. I tell you, we have some easier functions for doing that, but we are going to learn how to understand dictionary, not how to use them. Okay, we have a names, but some of you may ask what names needed. We can't get anything from the names, and I agree with you, we can't get anything from the names, or we can. How? Let's say we have the list of values here. Okay, we have the list of values, it's not special, and we have list of keys here. Okay, now we have a list of keys and list of values. Now we write a for and say for x in range len list values. Okay, it's for, and what is for going to do, we are going to put x here, let's say it xx to get no problem, and see if this is equal to the name. For example, let's say a student name, you say a student name. Let's see if it's equal to the student name that we have print. No, print is not. Print not is not it good. If it's equal to a student name, let's say print list case what xx. Now let's run it. Okay, it's a if is up. Sorry, it's a ridiculous mistake. Now I fix it, I think. No, I don't fix it. Didn't fix it. Okay, it's fixed now. I write a little wrong thing here. You see, for the student name, we can put, for example, a student name. What is a student name is here. Let's see what is a student name is here, and if it's getting us the right thing or right thing. A student name. A student name is Elsa, and it's going to give us 3. You see, the right thing is 3 because our student 3 is student alpha. Now, for print, we just said what a student number. It's a function to get a student number. We just copy that and paste it here. And we write it here. Getting a student number by his or her name. We create this, and this is the end, but we are going to create more function in the next lesson. Until then, ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will answer between 1 or 2 days. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.